Modern technologies mean that customers can follow a non-linear path to learn more about your brand before they buy. To get a better understanding of your customer's journey, you will need to know how to link Google Ads and Google Analytics. Hello, I'm Muzair and thanks for watching this video. If you link Google Analytics to your Google Ads account, this will create a strong partnership that will help you to design smarter marketing campaigns, get more insights about your customers, and drive more conversions for your business. Using insights to drive marketing. Once you have connected Google Ads and Google Analytics, you will be able to view insights about your customers alongside the ads that you are creating. This will help you to adjust the ad content with a better understanding of how your customers are reacting to your campaign so far. Optimized bidding. You will also be able to access a new set of reports for your Google Ads campaign within your Analytics account. This will give you even more knowledge about what takes place after your customer clicks on an ad. For instance, you will see whether certain keywords lead to more conversions or whether customers are actually buying once they click through. Customized messaging. Using data from Google Analytics, you will be able to share information about audiences with Google Ads to tailor your message to different groups of people. Advanced machine learning. Analytics also has powerful machine learning powered capabilities that help you learn the answers to important questions about your customers, such as how long they are staying on your website. This will help you to identify more valuable customers and adjust your Google Ads campaign to target them more specifically. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.